What's up, everyone? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the outrageous car collection of none other than the sixth god himself, Drake. Brace yourselves, because this man's taste in whips is as extravagant as his lyrics. Before we get into the juicy details, make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. You don't want to miss out on more fire content like this. Now, let's kick things off with Drake's undying love for Mercedes and Maybach. The man can't get enough of those German beauties. One of his first purchases was a Mercedes SLR McLaren, a timeless silver convertible with a red interior that set him back a cool 100 grand. But that was just the tip of the iceberg for this car connoisseur. Drake's love for Mercedes runs deep, like a fine wine that only gets better with age. He couldn't resist the allure of the mighty Maybach, the epitome of luxury on wheels. And when you're as successful as Drake, you don't just dabble, you go all in. So, naturally, he had to add the rarest of the rare to his collection, a Mercedes Maybach Pullman limousine. This bad boy is so exclusive that only a select few can even dream of owning one. But for Drake, dreams become reality, and he proudly rolled up to the dealership with a cool $600K to make it happen. But that was just the beginning. Drake went all out and copped a Mercedes Maybach Pullman limousine for himself. Yes, you heard that right. A limo just for him. This man doesn't do things halfway, fam. When you're the sixth god, you move in a different stratosphere altogether. He dropped a staggering $600K on that bad boy back in the day, and now it's worth over $2 million. Talk about a wise investment. While most of us are struggling to save up for a decent set of wheels, Drake's out here treating himself to a lavish limo that appreciated like a fine work of art. That Pullman isn't just a car, it's a statement piece. A rolling testament to Drake's success and his unwavering commitment to living life in the absolute lap of luxury. Can you imagine rolling up to the club or a video shoot in your own personal limousine? That's the kind of flex that separates the legends from the mere mortals. As if that wasn't enough, he added a Mercedes Maybach G650 Landaulet to his collection. This convertible beast is so massive that only 99 were ever produced, and Drake's all-black version with custom rims cost a whopping $1 million. The man has a serious addiction to Maybachs because he also snagged the brand new Mercedes Maybach S-Class, loaded with cutting-edge tech and gorgeous lighting. And let's not forget the Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 SUV, which Drake turned into a snowplow for those brutal Toronto winters. But Drake's love for Mercedes doesn't stop there. He gave us a glimpse of his baby blue Mercedes-AMG G63, an iconic ride that'll set you back around $200K. Alright, Maybachs are dope, but nothing screams, "I made it," quite like a Rolls-Royce. And Drake didn't settle for your average rollers, oh no, he went all out with one-of-a-kind custom jobs. His first Rolls is the Phantom X Mansory Bushukan, a two-tone masterpiece with an insane interior and an owl replacing the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy, representing his OVO brand. That piece of art cost him a cool $700K. Not satisfied, Drake decided to go full gothic with his next Rolls, the Cullinan X Chrome Hearts. This blacked-out beauty features an edgy interior inspired by the jewelry brand, and it's as savage as it gets. Price tag? A mere $400K. Now, we all know Drake loves his luxury, but the man also craves speed. Let's take a look at the supercars and hypercars in his garage. First up, he's got a white McLaren 675 LT Coupe, packing 675 horsepower and a 0-60 time of just 2.7 seconds. That'll set you back around $350K. Next, we have a matte grey Lamborghini Aventador Roadster with custom rims. This beast hits 60 in 2.5 seconds and packs 769 raging horses under the hood. Drake's version? A cool $400K. Now, this one's just a rumor, but word on the street is that Drake owned a Bugatti Veyron 16.4 Sang Noir edition. We're talking about a hypercar with 987 horsepower and a 2.6 second 0-60 time. Only 15 of these beauties were ever made, and the price tag? A staggering $2 million. But Drake's crown jewel has to be his yellow Ferrari LaFerrari. This electric hypercar is a grail for any car enthusiast, packing a V12 engine that puts out 789 horsepower and hits 60 in just 2.4 seconds. Drake's version isn't the typical red though, he went for a bold Pikachu yellow. And to own this beast, you'll need to cough up at least $3.5 million. As of now, Drake's garage is estimated to house around 12 cars, with a combined value of a whopping 10.5 million. Talk about living like a king. That's it for today, Veyron. Let us know in the comments what you think about Drake's insane car collection. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fire content like this. We'll catch you on the next one.